Greetings, Arunachal. Welcome back to Eastern Post. Once again, this is your reporter Niraba, and today on 7th of December 2024, the class of 1991 science batch from the IGJ Government High Secondary School, Pasigat, have gathered to commemorate its 25 years of friendship with the motto saying, "Let the good times roll once again." Come back to where it began. To reunite once again from where they began their academic journey. So viewers, let us join this nostalgic moment and their heartfelt conversation.
My dear young student friends, sorry, all the teaching faculty members, ministerial staffs, and my friends who have converged here today from all over the country, who are here today after 25 years living this school. कोई लोग बाहर कंट्री से, नेदरलैंड से आया है, बेंगलोर से, गुड़गांव से, सिलीगुड़ी से, और हमारे राज्य का अरुणाचल प्रदेश का कोना कोना से, तवांग से, ईटानगर से सब आया है। ये रियूनियन, और ये सिर्फ रियूनियन नहीं है, सिर्फ हम लोग यहाँ पिकनिक का कर मौज मस्ती करने के लिए नहीं। We have to create more beautiful memories and at the same time giving back to the alma mater, to our school that has saved us, that has contributed in our life journey, जो इंडिपेंडेंस गोल्डन जुबली गवर्नमेंट हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल। तो आज हम लोगों ने आप सबने देखा है, we have dedicated 3 यूनिट ऑफ बॉयज टॉयलेट, और साथ ही साथ हम लोग आगे भी जो हमारा जो ये 99 बैच है, हम लोग कोशिश करेगा कि हम लोग से जो बनता है हमेशा आगे तत्पर रहेगा ये स्कूल के लिए।
99 बैच वाला को मेरे को ही एग्जाम्पल ले दिया, ये बहुत अच्छा किया है। मैं ये आशा कर रहा हूँ हम लोग का गोल्डन जुबली कब होगा, इसी को मैं इंतजार करूँगा। तू इंजीनियर है, आज सुना है बहुत इंजीनियर भी है, इसको तुरंत आप लोग देख के IGJ वो खुना में एक तो ये स्क्वायर में बनाया हुआ है, दाहिने भाई में, दाहिने में भी एक तो स्क्वायर है जिसमें IGJ लिख के, बाई में और ये स्कूल इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है 1947 या 19 जो भी हो उसको लिख के IGJ गोप हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पासीघाट, ये यूनिवर्सिटी है।
I'd like to extend my thanks to the 99 class 12 batch, class 12 science batch, who invited me to see all of you, to meet all of you. This school has emotional attachment in my heart. आज सुबह भी जब यहाँ मैंने आया, स्कूल का गेट देखा, और आप लोगों का नाम तो याद नहीं होता है बहुत लोगों का, लेकिन सिमिलर है, फेमिलियर, आप लोग का पेश जो है फेमिलियर है। और मैडम को देख के आज सुबह भी थोड़ा होने से इतना इमोशनल हो गया तो आंसू निकालने वाला है। Yeah, I studied my class 11 and 12 in this school, and when I was promoted as PGT of that time, yeah, senior teacher at that time, it was senior teacher, now PGT. I was serving as PGT junior teacher at Government Secondary School, Balet, that time. After getting promotion to the post of postgraduate teacher, I was posted here. I served here as a PGT senior teacher for more than 4 years. And again, when I was promoted to the post of vice principal and headmaster, and then I served here as vice principal of this school more than 3 years.
I would like to welcome all the students of class 12 batch of 1999, those who have come from different places to enjoy this celebration and make it a very grand success. And at the same time, I also welcome all the students of 1999. They have dedicated their time, they did hard work. So all of them, today I am very happy to see that they are all well established, doing their duties perfectly in different departments, in different capacities. So for this also I am really very happy. And secondly, I do appreciate once again your team spirit, your innovative ideas to dedicate a voice dormitory to the school, which is really very essential in our day-to-day life.
पहले तो वेलकम टू आवर चैनल मैडम। तो हम लोग जानना चाहेगा कि सीइंग योर स्टूडेंट्स ना अभी ऐसे रीयूनिफाइंग देख के आपको कैसा लग रहा है आज को, मतलब वो भी दैट टू आफ्टर 25 years ना।
I am very happy to see them, the students of 12th Science batch of 1999. So they have invited me to come over here to enjoy with them. So I have come. So I am very happy.
And also if you ask about like during your time when you were the principal, तो आपने जो डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो एनविजन किया था, तो आपको क्या वो अभी देखने को मिला है इस समय में?
Now at present the school is being renovated very nicely, very beautifully. But in our times also the school was very neat and clean. We ask all the students to sweep their rooms and all surrounding the school. We do social service, and the school was very good, in a very good condition, very nice.
Anything, any message that you would like to give to the educators and also to all the students who were the organizing team today? Anything, a message from your side?
My message to the organizing team of today's function, I wish them all good luck, happiness, prosperity, and I do appreciate their teamwork and their relentless efforts to make this reunion celebration a grand success. So I request all of them to keep up this same spirit in future also.
सर पहले तो वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आपको कैसा लग रहा है सीइंग द स्टूडेंट्स रीयूनिफाइंग टुडे आफ्टर 25 years?
तो मैंने अभी भी इन लोगों को भी बोला, आफ्टर 25 years के इन लोगों को मेरा स्टूडेंट उस टाइम का जो क्लास 12 साइंस बैच था, उन लोगों को देखे मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई है। और मुझे मालूम हुआ कि वो सभी लोग ऑलमोस्ट अपना वेल एस्टेब्लिश हो चुके हैं और माँ पिताजी भी बन चुके हैं ये 25 years के बीच में। तो ये देख के मेरा बहुत दिल से बहुत खुशी हुई है।
तो सर आज के सेलिब्रेशन के थ्रू क्या आप आज अभी के जो प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट्स हैं स्कूल के, तो उनके लिए आपकी तरफ से क्या मैसेज रहेगा?
तो इन लोगों को ये मेरा तरफ से मैं बेस्ट विशेस देना चाहूँगा और उन लोगों के प्रॉस्पेरिटी और फ्यूचर में और भी सक्सेस होते जाएं, यही मेरा कामना है।
तो सर लास्टली आपके तरफ से एक मैसेज जो यहाँ के एजुकेटर्स अभी जो है एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम।
ये टीचर्स लोग को तो मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, ऑलरेडी कह चुका है, टीचर्स बी डेडिकेटेड, सिंसियर, पंक्चुअल एंड मेंटेनिंग डिसेंसी। अगर ये होगा तो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स भी ऑटोमेटिकली डिसिप्लिन होंगे, पंक्चुअल होंगे और डिसेंसी होंगे। तो मैं ये हमारे आज के जो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम है जो 1999 क्लास 12 साइंस बैच, इन लोगों को और भी सक्सेस लाइफ में होने के लिए मेरा तरफ से बेस्ट विशेस मैं देना चाहूँगा।
वेलकम टू आवर चैनल मैडम। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग को आज के बारे में थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ कर दीजिए। कैन यू ब्रीफ अस अबाउट द प्रोग्राम टुडे?
Yeah, it would be an honor for me to do. Thank you, first of all, Eastern Post, for doing this favor to our reunion celebration, Silver Jubilee celebration. Actually, this is something which we started. It took more than a year to decide whether to celebrate it or not. But then, when we collected all our friends back and we started doing this, everybody agreed, and so we decided to give back something during this 25th year of partying of our batchmates. So we decided of giving back something which is in our capacity. It could have been anything that it could be done. But then the moment when we checked, we found that the boys' toilets was very important because the girls were having many units of toilets. So we decided to take up the boys' toilet to do. So we have constructed 3 units of boys' toilet, and we did a small maintenance of the school gate. There was a crack and the color was faded. So we did some maintenance with the cement work and did the painting. That was like what we felt that at least doing this, we would be remembered by the future students, the younger generation who would be studying in the same institute where we studied.
In this auspicious occasion, we would really want to hear about like how IGJ Pasighat have nurtured your passion about.
Okay, those days schools were very limited. The IGJ High Secondary was the only school where we could continue our higher education for class 11th and 12th. But now we have lots of high secondaries around Pasighat, but this was the only institute. So students, even our friends, they did class 10 from many different schools like the Kendra Vidyalaya, from Deering School and others. And everybody came together in this institute in class 11 and 12. And this journey was very interesting because it was a very different taste of education institute, I believe. This was a place where we could mingle with each and everyone very friendly, in a very friendly way, because there was not much restrictions. Also the schools where we previously studied was locked. We couldn't go out in the recess. Also there was some kind of restriction, but in this institute we got the platform to stand before many thousand heads and stand. And even if I say a small thought also, it was not just 30-40 students, it was in thousands. So it gave it gave us a boost and to our personality to represent ourselves very strongly to the greater society. I consider IGJ to be a very strong institute for me, especially that this is where I got the courage more to go out in the society and do more work.
Also, ma'am, anything that you want to share to the students here that you learned from here and that you are still continuing to it? Any message for them?
Actually, I studied in the science, but unfortunately, I would say the students not to follow me. I got married very early, which really have gave me some obstacles in going for further studies. But then, of course, even then, even if you get such kind of obstacles like I had and getting early marriage also, please continue your studies and work out, work hard, and be someone in the society whom people can look up. Like, people shouldn't say that you did this, so you are being neglected. Do not ever be like that, because not only the doctor, engineer is the respected ones. There are many fields where now, especially the entrepreneurship, I would say, I envy the kids today that they can showcase their talents in the market area, and it's been very much encouraged by the society, by the people. So I think that is very good. So you should go with the time, avoid drugs, because drugs is something that which you cannot come back. That is not only you. Don't ever say my ngok kusing ya mera marzi, because that mera marzi affects the family, the society, the nation, the state, the nation. So it's very important to be away from all those anti-substance, and not only the drugs, like not only drugs by robbery or something others also. Be a good human being, like the earlier the speakers have already spoken. Be a good human being, be someone in the society, and lead the society to a very brighter, positive environment. Thank you.
वेलकम टू ईस्टर्न पोस्ट सर। आगे सर हम लोग जानना चाहेगा कि मतलब दिस सेलिब्रेशन 25 इयर्स ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप सेलिब्रेशन आप लोग मतलब कुछ और भी तरीके में कर सकता था, लेकिन आप लोग स्कूल पे ही मतलब आप लोग का क्या इम्पैक्ट लाना चाहता था, आप लोग क्या मोटिव था आप लोग का जो स्कूल पे ऐसे काउंसलिंग प्रोग्राम रख के, मतलब व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस?
Basically, you see, as you have attended the program, the batch of 99 science batch, friends from all over the country and even from outside the country, they have come back here with a motto. It is a spirit of friendship, camaraderism, but it's a reunion after 25 years, as you have asked the question. But we are not only doing it for picnicking. Reunion for the sake of picnicking, it's not our motto. We want to just give a message to the younger student friends also that this institute, Independence Golden Jubilee Government Higher Secondary Pasigat, has a very huge legacy of itself. It's a history of itself, and we are also, at one point of time, we are also part of that history, part of the legacy. So this has been our alma mater. We have this has shaped our life for 2 years. We are here for class 11 and 12. So in this celebration, in this get-together, we wanted to make it memorable by giving back something to the school, to alma mater, to the society. So we have contributed 3 notes of toilets, boys' toilet, and we have invited our Daden principal, Madam Bormoti Dai, and Daden principal, who is vice principal, and who is currently serving as the director secondary education, Marken Kadu, and also conducted a career counseling program, which was presented by one of our friend, who is Dr. Kento Kadu, who is a lecturer at Jain College Pasigat. So it's a kind of give back, so that somewhere an impact remains with the students, younger students from the 99 batch.
Viewers, talking on today's event, the class of 1991 science batch of IGJ school Pasigat have donated 3 gents lab to the school, and with that was it for today. And for more such updates, stay tuned with Eastern Post. This is me, reporter Niraba, along with cameraman Gaman Nokar, reporting from Eastern Post.